Well, a very good morning to you. It's early. I've got the bright kitchen light on because it's still dark outside. I've finished most of my workout, but I've been doing a little bit of prep before I take a long walk and go do some incline and get ready for work. So I've got all of these items prepped. I'm going to put them back in the fridge and then later pack in my insulated lunch sack before I head to the office. For breakfast later, I do a long fast. I've got the kombucha blend, which I've made another video for using my powdered kombucha. That's something that I like, and then I blend it separately with ingredients that I like. Once I'm hungry, then I will have this oatmeal that I've made with greens. I've got stevia on there, some fresh blueberries. I will top that with some unsweetened almond milk. For lunch, then I have some veggie mash, which was cauliflower, baby potatoes, carrots, lots of garlic, and then I made some mushroom gravy. I've got some veggies to have with some homemade hummus that I also added some greens, mainly cilantro to this with lots of garlic. It's so much easier to make my own hummus. And then I like frozen green beans because I like eating green beans cold. And then I will either add a vinegar. Today I chose stone ground mustard to put on that to have for an extra veggie for lunch. And then later, when I have some herbal tea, I have made a big batch of my oatmeal cookies that has raisins in there. There's little bits of the Enjoy Life vegan chocolate, and then I add cayenne because I like to have a little added zip in my cookies. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching.